Pretty much what I'm doing is I'm putting on some lock butter that will actually stretch the hair out evenly. I use a rat tail comb to comb through to get the excess hair that's a little bit shorter and a little harder to grab. And then I do a palm roll to get the lock, and I pull it down, I extend it down, and then I clip it.
And why do you clip it?
To hold it in its place, so that way once I set him under the dryer, his hair will set and it will start growing in this direction. You pretty much train the hair.
Okay.
And he's in the beginning stages of his lock process.
And what is it that you're putting on it? The product?
The product is a Sheba locks. It's called Sheba locks.
Mm-hmm. And what is it exactly?
It's a combination of shea butter and tea tree oils and things like that promotes the hair to grow and, you know, keeps the locks shiny and different things like that.
Okay. It helps it to set.
Exactly, and it sets it as well.
And how often do you have to do this?
This generally, depending on the hair texture with him, he'll probably need to do once or maybe twice a month at the most.
Do you ever get folks in who want like really fat ones?
Sometimes, but I don't promote larger scale locks because the longer they get, the heavier they get. So, you know, that can start with breakage in the hair from the pulling of the weight.
So explain that to me a little bit more.
Whereas his locks are smaller, so as they start to lock, they get fatter, they swell.
Okay.
So his locks will probably get about an inch or a half an inch bigger than what they are now. So if you start them off really large in the beginning, then as they grow, they swell even more.
Okay.
The lock, it expands. So it generates weight and everything on
more tension.
Exactly, and tension on the hair.
So it breaks then at the root area.
At the root area,
to grow out?
Exactly.
And as far as maintenance, like shampooing, conditioning, what's up with that?
Pretty much shampooing is the same as, you know, straight hair or any type of hair. A lot of times we use more of the tea tree shampoos for locks or clarifying shampoos because it's an oil based, you know, hairstyle. So you don't want to keep a lot of that oil in the hair each time that you get this procedure done.
So I guess it would attract a lot of dust. And
exactly.
Stuff like that lint from your clothes or bedding or something like that.
Yes.